Guys, it looked like someone was performing a cult. There was like lights and I'm like, was someone down here? Nah, I don't want to go there. I'm scared. I feel like someone's in here, but no. This is true. I just don't like this. I got some Oreos after I eat my food. You guys can hear that, hopefully. Oh my god. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, stay right there. I'm going to be watching this video. So I'm gonna put you right here, right so you can see. Guys, do you get anything? If you didn't catch anything crazy, that sucks. Or if you didn't catch anything, if there is like this ended, I don't like that. If there's like an entity, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna go, guys. I'm probably gonna stay inside tomorrow. So guys, I might be filming all day tomorrow. For 24 hours. I think this is mine. Probably mine. No, that's scared. I'm like, I was like, in my brain I was like, oh shit. Sorry. Oh, this one's so light. It's me. Yeah. I barely put any food in mine. Of course this one's me. Now I'm going to eat at the table. I'm sitting right here. So let me get the colors around me. And there's the camera. Yeah. She's not there. And then I can just see in there if there's anything behind me, so. But yeah, guys. More like two, I guess. Yeah. That's cool. Should have brought my chopsticks. Okay, guys. Bon appetit. This looks. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? There's some rice and then chicken. Because I went to Hibachi today. I told you guys. But I went to Hibachi today. Maybe the midnight. What's my percentage? These bad. That's really bad. Guys, it doesn't fit. Well, it's like it doesn't fit over it, so I can't cook it. So I can't cook it in the microwave. Because I don't want it to be, but it's also plastic. I'm pretty sure it traps it. That's so. And it's so. I feel like this person. Hopefully, bon appetit, guys. You're gonna be on the lookout. Guys, you're gonna be on the lookout. Oh, this it's straight up terrifying. Everyone's lit up except for. That's terrifying. That is terrifying. I got a fork and I know how to do it. I got a fork and I'm afraid. Guys, guess what? I got a fork and I'm afraid to use it, guys. So if someone comes here, I got a fork, I'm afraid to use it. But it's actually really hot. Tried it better than I thought it would. Actually really good. So guys, we want how Oreos taste, so I'm going to taste it. But peace out, guys, and see you on the next one.